Let's learn more about HTML injection in this test website. So you could see this is our test website. So you can simply go in this test website from your browser. So after that, I'll just say hey over here and let me just press go. Then you could see it has been reflected over here. That means we should have HTML injection. That means the code written here will be just shown or reflected back to the web page. That means we must have HTML injection. So I'll just make h1, which is a header, and I'll say I have been hacked, some message like that, and I'll just close my h1 tag. And when I just press again this go, then you could see I have been hacked has been just reflected back over here. So that means it has the HTML injection. So you can simply do something like a anchor tag and href, and you could simply give the link. It can be some link like http twitter.com, and you can simply say click, because this is a anchor tag. So I'll just press go over here. Then you could see that it will have click link over here. So when I just say click, then it will just redirect to twitter.com. So it has the HTML injection. So that means you can just inject the code over here. So if I just give this link to any other person, they will see the click over here. When they click, that can be the clone website. So here we just pass some website that was the Twitter website, which was a legit website. Instead of that legit or genuine website, you can just put the clone of that website and get the data from the PHP file. So let's go for another link. Let's see for the categories. If we just find anything over here, we'll see comment on this picture. Let's see what happens. So when I just say hey, and I'll say comment, let's submit this one. So hey has been reflected, but the thank you for the comment was basically the predefined message. So let's test for one more time. So let's see if these comments reflect or not. So when I just say Udemy and it is not reflected, so only the name field is reflected over here. That means I'll just say in the name I can make h1 tag or paragraph tag or any tag if you want. So I'll say hey, I am hacker, and let me just close header tag again. And when I just say submit this, you'll see hey, I am a hacker. So that means we can also inject that same payload that we just created, which was anchor tag, having anchor tag, and it would have href, which is the redirection here. So you can have bing.com, okay, bing.com, and you can say click to me, or you can say something like free to register, and I'll simply close my anchor tag. Let me say submit, and it is not giving anything for us. Maybe we just made something wrong over here. So it has been commented, but let's see for the another one. Let's see for this artist, or we can also see for the sign up field, or basically we can just go to maybe in the sign up was the same. Your card is nothing over here. So let's see if first of all we'll just sign up or login. So login is test and test, password is also test, and here is your sign up. So let me just see if this John Smith is reflected or not. So I'll just say Udemy. So let's update this. So it is reflected right here. That means you can inject the anchor tag and href, and I can say something like http free, okay, it is maybe the malicious website can be injected over here, but for now I'll just inject Twitter, and now I'll just give a message here saying free. When I just update this, then you could see free over here, which is the link. If you just click on this, you will be redirected to twitter.com again. That means this is the URL redirection with the href tag. You can also get the cookies, you can hijack the session from this HTML injection. So all you need to do is simply copy the link. You can also make that link which is basically unsuspicious to the user. You can make use of some online services to encode, or you can also make use of other programming language like AutoEat. So AutoEat or a PowerShell, you can make use of a PowerShell to wrap your code inside the PDF file. So you can make the PDF file. You can also make your code execute, or basically your payload that will be injected in the file, which can be the JPG file or the image file, and you can just inject that and you will just load that, and whenever the user will open that, it will just open the reverse shell, and you will just get the SS, or very much get the social engineering toolkit, or basically every credentials of the victim to your machine. So see you in the next